Have you ever noticed some people walk into a room and instantly everyone wants to talk to them? It's not because they're beautiful. It's not because they're rich. It's because they know how to make others like them naturally. And today I'm going to share with you real-life cheat codes that will help you become magnetic, likable, and unforgettable within the first few seconds. Core principle: make others feel good about themselves. Golden rule: people won't remember who you are. They'll remember how they felt when they were around you. Every cheat code you're about to learn revolves around this. Make others feel more valuable simply by being near you. Cheat codes, 1 for 46. 1. Look into the other person's eyes for the first 2 to 3 seconds, then gently smile. 2. Say their name early and often. A name is the sweetest sound to any person. 3. Nod slowly while they speak to show you're truly listening. 4. Ask open-ended questions. It deepens the conversation. 5. Compliment them sincerely, especially on things they're proud of. 6. Naturally mirror their body language. It builds connection. 7. Don't interrupt. Even a 1 to 2 second pause matters. 8. Lightly touch their shoulder or arm. If culturally appropriate, it builds closeness. 9. Let them speak at least 20% more than you. 10. Listen with your eyes, not just your ears. 11. Lead with emotion. Explain the logic later. 12. Lower your voice at the end of a sentence. It builds trust. 13. Don't brag. Tell stories with meaning and depth. 14. Reply quickly, but not too eagerly. 15. Use emojis appropriately to express emotion, not to spam. 16. Give specific, thoughtful compliments, not generic ones. 17. Break long messages into short, easy-to-read chunks. 18. Use stickers or hearts at the right time to maintain connection. 19. Always end a message with something open so the conversation continues. 20. Don't text too late at night, unless you're very close. 21. If someone shares a story, ask follow-up questions. Don't just say okay. 22. Don't leave someone on scene for too long without replying. 23. Occasionally send a heartfelt voice note or message. It stands out. 24. Point your feet toward the person you're talking to. 25. Sit or stand with your back straight. It shows confidence without arrogance. 26. Don't cross your arms during conversations. It creates emotional distance. 27. Nod in a slow rhythm when listening. It shows deep engagement. 28. Maintain eye contact about 70% of the time. 29. Occasionally bow your head slightly when saying thank you. It increases warmth. 30. Walk 10% slower than usual. It radiates calm confidence. 31. When someone talks badly about others to you, they'll assume you do the same. Don't get involved in gossip. 32. Share a small vulnerability. People trust you more. This is called the pratfall effect. 33. Mirror their emotions. Speak softly when they speak softly. Get excited when they're excited. This is the mirror effect. 34. Be the attractive neutral. Stay out of sides and you'll earn everyone's trust. 35. Compliment someone behind their back and let them hear about it from someone else. This triples the impact. 36. Say less, but say it meaningfully. People will remember you longer. 37. Keep small promises. They build massive trust. 38. Repetition builds familiarity. The more they see you, the more they like you. 39. Smile with your eyes, not just your mouth. 40. Show up at the right moment. They'll start to feel like you belong in their life. 41. Familiarity builds trust, and trust is the foundation of every relationship. 42. You don't need to be the most impressive, just consistently present. 43. Frequent presence turns strangers into familiar fixtures in someone's mind. 44. It's not always the best who get loved. It's those who show up at the right time. 45. Once people get used to your presence, they begin to trust the value you bring. This isn't a trick, it's the truth. People like you, not because you perform, but because you make them feel safe, seen, and heard. These 46 cheat codes aren't for manipulation. They're for learning how to create real human connection. Try just a few and watch something magical happen. Have you ever tried any of these cheat codes before? Comment below which one resonated with you the most. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another life cheat code again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.